YouTube, what up, man? We here today, yeah, okay. Feeling good today. Got my homie coming in a second. Gonna do a haircut tutorial. Think he's doing like a high skin fade if he's keeping it the same, you know. Show y'all the breakdown, 3 easy steps. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Like and subscribe for your boy. Let's get it.
Oh man, it's so cool inside. What are you doing? Friends, bro.
Damn!
Oh, my bad, kid. GPT to craft this.
Yeah.
Some handyman that you know. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, and then you trying to hear about Rosarito? You already know.
Yeah, you already know. What are you doing the same thing?
Yes.
Are you cutting the top or leaving it?
No, I'm leaving it, and then after that, I'm gonna
Do your hair real quick.
do the shirt.
For sure. And just doing the whatchamacallit, the high. You see that, bro? You see that, bro? Don't worry.
Don't trip. You didn't see anything.
What up, YouTube? Got my boy Julian in the. Oh, damn, I fucked that up. Okay. What up, YouTube? Got my boy Julian in here today. About to get that mid skin fade before his trip to France. So we're gonna lace him up real quick. So watch this tutorial for whatever reason. And so I'm trying to get. I'm like, oh shit, I'm not getting monetized on it. I don't really take it seriously. I just kind of repost everything. I'm not thinking about making it perfect.
You got it on automatic section.
Bro, yeah, and my shit's been going viral. What is up, everybody? Today we're doing a mid-skin fade and we're not taking anything off the top. This tutorial is going to be about 5 minutes long and we're going to be packed with information, so keep up with me. So as you can see, we are creating our first guideline. We are going to not press too hard with our trimmer, and we're going to start the line going straight across at about the meeting point of the 2 corners of the lineup, as you can see. Once the guideline is in there all the way around the head, we're going to go ahead and bald out the entire bottom with our trimmer first, and we're going to come back with our electric shaver to make it nice and smooth. So with our electric shaver, we're going to bald out the bottom. When using the electric shaver, you don't want to go all the way up to the line. You want to scoop out right before the line. Starting with our clipper halfway open, we're going to go up about a 1/4 inch. Next, coming in with our clipper all the way closed. Using that 0 with the corner of our clipper, we're going to hit it at different angles to lighten up that line just a little bit more, and come back again with the corner of our trimmer and blend it into the skin. With that bottom line being blended into the skin, we're going to create our next line with our clipper all the way closed with our half guard on, going up about a 1/4 inch. After our half guard, we'll remove the guard and we'll open the clipper halfway using just the corner, and we will go back to the previous line to blend it out. Next, we have our 1.5 guard on, which will be the highest guard we use, clipper closed, and we're going to fade that into the top. And then while we're moving that weight, and we'll come back down with our number 1 guard open, removing some of the weight, then closing to use the corner only to blend in to our half, and then we're going to throw our half guard back on, playing around with the lever to just make sure we don't need any dark areas to make sure we blend down into the skin. And add any extra detail work if needed, playing around with the lever, trying out different guards, making sure not to go too hard. And whenever you're doing a skin fade and your client has a beard, make sure to blend those sides in. Your client shouldn't have to ask you to do that. That should be part of the haircut. You don't have to do the whole beard, but just blend the sides in. And you're going to repeat that same process just with the beard as well. You guys are just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps all the way around. I like to do the sides first and then the back last. Don't mind my ashy elbows. I did not see that. But anyways, yeah, same process, same method. The top being our half guard, and you guys just want to make sure you're consistent all the way around. And when lining up the front, make sure to comb those baby hairs out, get everything combed down nice and flat. I'm going to go ahead and start from the middle, work your way out, going towards both sides. Start with one side first, I went to the left, and you can see I'm going over to the right. That helps you get a nice even straight line all the way across. Make sure you're looking at your client dead on in the middle, so you can make sure that the hairline is even. Straight line across, you can focus on one side to make it look sharper, make sure you get any loose hairs that are hanging over, and hit those sides, keep everything natural, keep everything sharp. And if you made it to this part of the video, I really appreciate you guys watching. Sorry for the technical difficulties. I was trying out a new camera and it was losing focus, as you guys could tell, so I apologize for that, but my next one will be better. I think the quality of this one was a lot better though, and hope you guys enjoyed. And here's the final cut.